Hello guys, review Nubia V60 Design. This version 6GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look completion. We have 6.6 inch display, 90Hz, 50 megapixels AI camera, fast charging and large battery, 5000 mAh. Okay. Open box, look completion. This we have protected back cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, now talk about device. On the back side, triple camera, on this side power button and wall buttons, slot for this side, upside, Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device, open settings, about phone, we have my OS version 13 and Android 13, close this, look Geekbench 6 results. Okay. We have CPU Spreadroom Unisoc A10. Look onto the benchmark results. Under the benchmark results, okay. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Okay. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.